And we are back. Hey guys, it's Lizzie. And we are on day 8 of my 31 days of edible perennials. I have been starting the beginning of my series with some benefits that perennials offer. So I got another one for you. Just like nutrients, as we talked about last week, the root systems of perennials also draw up water from lower in the soil profile. This moisture becomes available to other plants with shallower root systems. It also prevents the soil from drying out and becoming susceptible to erosion. So there you go. Moving on, the 8th edible perennial plant that I have for you today is the earthnut pea. This ancient vegetable has a hardiness zone of 5 through 9 and is a small climbing perennial plant that can be supported by trellis. This perennial pea is not only grown for its seeds, but its edible roots as well. The sweet and starchy roots can be eaten raw or cooked. And when cooked, they have a similar flavor to the sweet potato. The peas on the plant can be boiled or roasted, and I heard they taste fantastic. Just know that the seeds from some species do contain toxins and should not be consumed. See you tomorrow.